Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Before starting the video, just letting you all know that this video is just gonna have 10 questions. So yes, let's start the video and let's look into these questions. The rest of it, why is it, I'll tell you in the end of the video. The first question says, with reference to the cabinet mission, which of the following statements is or are correct? It recommended a federal government. Yes, it did. It enlarged the powers of the Indian courts. No, it cannot. It provided for more Indians in the ICS. No, 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 never ever would do that. So the correct answer is A1 only. Now let's move into the second question for today. Which one of the following national parks has a climate that varies from tropical to subtropical, temperate and Arctic? That is Namdapha National Park. When we know more about it, it is in Arunachal Pradesh, biodiversity hotspot in the eastern Himalayas, and it's also called the evergreen rainforests. Then we have the next question. Amnesty International is a B, global human rights movement. This is the answer. And when we look at it, it's a non-governmental organization with headquarters in the United Kingdom. Then we move on to the next question. With reference to the art and archaeological history of India, which one among the following was made earliest? When we look at the chronology for A, B, C, and D, you will find that 1000 AD in Ligaraj, so it's 1000. The second one, the option is BC, like 272 BC. The third one, the rock cuts monuments are in 7th and 8th century, so that's like AD. And again, when we look at the Udayagiri caves, it's again 5th century. So the correct answer is B, rock cut elephant at Dholi. And then we have the fifth question for today. With reference to Indian history, which of the following is or are the essential element or elements of the feudal system? Strong centralized political authority and weak provincial? No. Emergence of administrative structure based on control and possession of land? Yes. Creation of lord-vassal relationship? Yes. So the correct answer is B, 2 and 3 only. Next, we move on to the question. Biocarbon Fund Initiative for Sustainable Forest Landscapes is managed by the World Bank, apart from all the options, and it is operational since 2013. Next, we have India as a member of which among the following? Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Association of Southeast Asian Nations, and the third is East Asia Summit. We'll have to see which one they are the members of and then decide which is the correct answer. When we look at the countries, the Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation, it's Indonesia, Singapore, US, Australia, China, Japan, Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Russia, South Korea, New Zealand, Canada, Mexico, Hong Kong, Peru, Brunei, Chile, but no India. Then again, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, again we have all those nations, but India is not there. And when we look at East Asia Summit, yes, India is very much a member there. So the correct answer becomes the East Asia Summit. That leaves us with B3 only. So that's the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. In India, the steel production industry requires the import of very easy one, coking coal, a direct one. Then we have the provisions in the 5th schedule and 6th schedule. Very easy one. A, protect the interests of the scheduled tribes. With reference to union government, consider the following statements. The Department of Revenue is responsible for the preparation of union budget that is presented to the Parliament. No, that's the Finance Department. No amount can be withdrawn from the Consolidated Fund of India without the authorization from the Parliament. Yes, very much correct. And all the disbursements made from the public account also need the authorization from the Parliament of India. No, that's not correct. So the correct answer is C2 only. So this was it with today's video. I hope all the answers were correct and everything. The reason what I wanted to share with you people is why I am not doing all of these is that I am preparing very classy notes considering all the revisions and everything, because this is February and exam is due in June. So for that I am taking out a lot of time for those preparation, and still the video preparation is still left for that. So because of that, the answer writing thing is now getting slow, but answer writing thing will continue again in a very good pace when it's again March ending or April. So it's fine that if we give lesser time to this right now, but apart from that, we hope that we complete it on time. We meet next on Monday with a good topic. Until then, keep studying.